What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are down at our main shop and we just pulled in our 2015 International Terrastar. You may have seen some of my past videos on this truck. We only bought it about a month or so ago, but I've definitely made a handful of videos about this. Most of them being around the back end of it. We cleaned up the entire frame, repainted it, mounted the salt spreader right on the frame, installed new wheels on it, the poly fenders, the mud flaps and whatnot. But the two snowplows that you see here came with the truck, and the blades that are on them came on them as well. This front blade here, it may look like a winter equipment blade, but it is actually a knockoff blade of a company that replicated one of theirs and started selling it as their own. I don't know the company. I don't really care to know the company either, because we have a brand new winter cutting edge for our Terrastar. So the first thing we'll find in the box here is a nut and bolt kit. You have all the bolts that you need, you have nuts, you have washers, and then you also get a little instruction sheet in case you've never installed one of their blades before. But we won't be needing that. We've installed plenty of these. The next two things you'll see are your curb guard pieces. So you get one for each side, driver's side and passenger side. That's that one. And then you have one more here. These are nice because they kind of come with a little handle in them. And then after that, you get 3 blade pieces. So you get 2 3-footers here. Let me grab the camera. Those are a bit heavier and I don't really need to pull them out quite yet, but you have 2 3-footers which go on each end, and then you have a 4-footer here. So the 4-footer will go dead center here, and then a 3-footer on each side to get you to your 10-foot, and then you have your curb guards that go on top. So I'm gonna set my camera up, we're gonna pull this old blade off, and then we're gonna get to installing this new winter cutting edge. This anymore. Don't need this.
Oh yeah, we don't need this, huh? Nope.
All right, guys, so we got the old plow blade off. We had a little bit of an issue with 2 of the bolts. They were like seized up inside there, but we got them out. Got rid of that old blade, and now it is time to throw this new winter edge on. washers real quick and nuts. That way this doesn't slide out on us.
You have to take that one out to this end though? That one has to come out, right?
Oh yeah, it does. So we'll just leave it for now. Now let's do that at the end.
Let me grab 2 bolts. Where'd the bolts go?
Oh, the sticker got messed up. Alright guys, we're all buttoned up and this blade looks very nice on this truck. I'm gonna talk to Rodrigo and see if we can get him to run a rubber edge, which we have sitting here, on his wing, and then this truck will look very nice. He has just a steel standard blade on there now, and those are all right, but they wear down so fast. These winter blades last so much longer. If you guys haven't seen any of my videos before about these, here actually let's go for a walk real quick. One right here, you can see the age on this. This is probably 2 or 3 years old and we haven't had to change it. We actually, I don't believe we've had to change a single winter blade yet. We've run a ton of them. Let's take a look down the line here. I don't think he has them on his tractor. No, he doesn't. These trucks don't have them. We have a winter rubber edge on this truck, and then pretty much all of our big trucks, I believe, have winter edges on them. Let's take a look here. We got winter rubber edge on here, carbide edge on the front, same thing right here, same thing on my truck, and then Rodrigo's spare doesn't have it either. But all of our trucks here pretty much have them. All of our trucks in Orange County have them, and I'm telling you, we have not changed a winter edge. They last, I would argue that they last over 5 times longer than your regular steel edge. Me and Rodrigo used to be in our shop changing blades. It felt like it was every day we were changing regular steel blades, and then we switched over to winter equipment, and it's like, I don't know, a blade a month when we get a new one, and we're taking either a steel blade off, or like today we're taking an off-brand blade off. But I think winter equipment advertises like 2 to 3 times the life, but I would argue that and say that it is definitely longer. But if you guys are interested in a winter blade, definitely reach out to them. You can go on their website, it's right here. This is like the lid of their box, it's pretty cool. But winterequipment.com, you can check out everything that they have. There's their phone number, and on their website it'll show you pretty much everything. I know that I spoke to our salesman Ron. If you guys want to talk to someone there, call and ask for Ron. He is very knowledgeable about all of their stuff. But I spoke to him about a smaller option for my buddy who was reaching out to me. He saw us throw these blades on, and he had a customer. He works at Hudson River Truck and Trailer. You guys might have heard me talk about them before, but he has a customer that has like a little side-by-side UTV type of thing, and he wanted a carbide edge for it. So I spoke to Ron and I told him all the options, and he was super knowledgeable about it. But if you guys are interested, definitely reach out to them and talk to them. And if you are questioning it, go back and watch my videos over the past couple of years. You will see that we haven't changed any of these blades. And this one is a perfect example. You can see the age on it, and let's see how much life is left in it. Let's see. Look at that. It doesn't even look like it's worn down at all. So their product definitely speaks for itself. But I think that's going to wrap it up for this one. If you guys have any questions or comments, definitely leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.